Hi guys, so I participated in a giveaway sometime around October last year where I was asked to define what financial independence meant to me. And then guess what? At the end of the day, I got myself a beautiful reading table from Taylor and I've been using this for the past few months now. But then the fact that I got myself a table isn't the point of discussion, but that my own definition of financial independence made sense. Like I did share in the video, financial independence means not having to depend on a paid employment or rely on another individual to cater for your financial obligations. It means being financially smart enough for you to invest your money in assets that will generate income for you to a point where your money begins to work for you. And deep down, when we talk about personal finance, is because what we actually want for ourselves is to achieve financial independence. And the first step towards achieving this is by first having a financial plan. And this is exactly what you'll be learning today on the very first episode of Money Chat with Afsat. I will be discussing why it's important for you to have a financial plan and how you can create your own financial plan. My name is Afsat, and you're welcome to Money Chat with Afsat, where I'll be bringing directly to you money rants, financial products, and tools you can use to achieve your financial goal. And then generally, tips on how to make, manage, and multiply money. So far, this topic has had like the most reactions and reads on my Medium blog where I publish article every week. Like I've had over 430 views compared to other articles. But then if you haven't read this, you're in luck because today I'll be delving a bit deeper into the topic here. So if you want to create a financial plan, there are 5 major factors you need to consider. So you need to make provision of how you intend to either increase or decrease this factor as the case may be. Number one item on this list has to do with income. You need to make provision on how you can increase your income. This you can achieve by devising plan on either upskilling so that you can get promoted or so that you can even change job. And then there's always the option of starting a business or even freelancing. The goal here is for you to make a list of things you can do that can increase your earning capacity. So you can start earning money beyond just money for survival, because you need money to spend, to save, and to even invest. So increasing your income is a very, very important element to factor in on your financial plan. Now, the second item on your financial plan has to do with saving. You need to make provision on saving money. That's for those of us that haven't started, we need to start now. While for those of us that are already pretty much good at saving, you need to find a way to increase the percentage that you save, either in terms of amount or in terms of percentage. Maybe before, what you do is, let's say 10k monthly, you need to find a way of taking this to about maybe 20, 30k. Or if you do 10%, see how you can take this to 15%. In fact, I conducted a survey sometime around January, and majority of the respondents indicated that they save about 0 to 10% of their income. So this means that they spend about 90%, and I think that amount is too much. Except maybe they invest part of the 90%, which I doubt. But saving 10% means like crawling to your destination, and that's not what we need. So you need to make provision on increasing your percentage of saving. The third item on this list has to do with spending, and this is like where the problem is. To a large extent, increasing your income might be a bit challenging because it's maybe beyond your control. But when it comes to spending money, you have 100% control over what you choose to spend your money on. It is up to you to either buy this item or to save your money. It is within your control. And one thing you need to incorporate this year is to monitor your spending. You need to effectively put in measures for you to know where your money goes, and so that you can get rid of unnecessary buy stuff like impulse spending or buying to impress. Because I believe by that time you understand that it is important for you to do other things, other tangible things like saving and investing, if truly attaining financial freedom is something you desire. So this year you have to make provision to start tracking your spending. And about that, I have been creating an expense template for the past few weeks. It's a money tracker which is supposed to help you make budgets and to track your spending on the go. It's a very simple and easy to use template that I created myself. Well, as you might have guessed, it is not for free, it is for sale, but you can pre-order this in order to get a whopping 50% discount. Yeah, so you can get it now for 2,500 naira by following the link in the description section below. So pre-order your expense tracker, because if tackling your spending, all of your bad spending money habits is something you want to do this year, then I can assure you the money tracker is going to be extremely helpful. Now, the fourth item you need to include in your financial plan has to do with investment. For those of us that are pretty good at saving, it's about time we take it a step further by investing. And for those of you that are considering investing, I think we've done a lot of consideration. It's about time you actively start investing, because investment is what is going to bring us closer to attaining the financial independence that we want for ourselves. So this year, you need to start devising ways for you to find out legitimate businesses or assets that you can put your money into that will give you more return. Because with the way this economy is going, like, saving our money might add little to no value to our money. So when you've saved and the money is now a tangible sum, the next smart thing for you to do is to inject that money into a viable investment or a viable business that will help you generate more money. Now, to the fifth component of the financial plan. Although this is something I omitted from my article, I guess this is your reward for watching this video to this point. So this item has to do with your loan or generally borrowings. So you need to put in measures, you need to make provision on how you intend to offset all of this outstanding loan that you have. Maybe you have a loan with bank, or you even borrowed money from friends. You need to intentionally work towards reducing this loan, paying up. In fact, your family members this year do not need anybody calling them or harassing them because of you borrowed money from them. And even if you intend to maybe collect loan this year, you need to include it in your financial plan. Be sure that the amount you're going for is something you'll be able to pay within a specified period of time, and that the money you're collecting, you'll be injecting it on profitable business or profitable or reward or investments that will give you more returns. So you need to take into cognizance this factor when you're creating your financial plan. I know we are almost at the end of the first quarter, but mind you, it's never too late for you to create your financial goals and plans for the year. In fact, if you have an existing one, it makes sense for you to modify it. For instance, I had no plan or no idea that I was going to start a YouTube channel. But starting this now means I have to go back to my plan and incorporate this into the factor that it affects, because starting this definitely affected my expenses, and then who knows, my future in the long, my income in the long run, and then even loan obligation. So it is never too late for you to create your financial plan or goals for the year. Now is a good time, and it is essential if you intend to embark on this personal finance journey with me. So I implore you to do this for me. At this point, I need to tell you that if financial freedom is something that you intentionally, you genuinely desire, then creating a financial plan is a must. You need to bring out a plan that highlights how you intend to increase your income, how you intend to start investing, how you intend to save more, and most importantly, how you need to eliminate wasteful spending and also to reduce loan if you have any active one. All of these 5 factors are very, very essential on your journey to financial independence. I will need you to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification button. Also, like this video and head over to comment section to tell me one thing you like about the video or something you would like to learn going forward. I will really, really appreciate getting your feedback. And just as a reminder, there's a money tracker that you can purchase on pre-order for 2,500 naira, and this is me giving you a 50% discount. I assure you, I created this myself and it is easy to use. In fact, it is going to be coming with budget manual. That's a manual that gives you the breakdown of all of the expense categories you are going to meet in the template, and then also a demo video that shows you how to navigate your way around the tracker. But like I said, it is very, very easy to use, and it is something you should get. So see you next time, and thanks for watching my video.